What up guys, welcome back to today's video. Today is the day we install the SKUNK 2 exhaust. My excitement is like above the roof right now, but we got a lot of work to do. I haven't got this car up on the stands yet, but I'm gonna show you everything that came in the box of the SKUNK 2 exhaust system. Guys, I'm so ready to get this car loud. I've been waiting to do this install about 3 years. I don't know. It's been ever since I got in the car. I've been wanting to do the exhaust install, but I always feel like when you do an exhaust install, you need to make sure everything else in your car is looking good, especially the exterior. But I'm about to show you guys the exhaust system. Right here I have the SKUNK 2 exhaust system. I haven't took everything out the bag yet. As you can see, the down pipe and all the other stuff, the mid pipe and like that. Then I have my accessories over here, the gaskets and stuff, bolts and nuts. I'm so ready. First thing I have to do is get this car up on the jack stands, and I gotta look under and see what we're gonna get ourselves into, but I know this is going to make a very different sound. Mega power. When you see mega power by SKUNK 2, you know it's going to make some noise. So I'm about to get my jack stands, get this car up, and we can get under it and see what's about to happen. Because it's time to make the Civic loud. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I always want to do exhaust on the car. It was time to do exhaust. I did everything else I can possibly do, but today it's time to make one of the loudest Civics ever. Okay, not really, but it's gonna be loud, but not that loud. So let's get started with this video and let's install this new exhaust. All right, let's go.
20 minutes later.
All right, hit you guys up with a little update right now. I finally got the car on all 4 jack stands. That was so nerve-wracking, but I got the pipe laid correctly all the way out. So now we're about to get on there and see how easy or how hard it is to take this exhaust off. You guys in a quick second, I'll show you what we done after this. All right. Get back in there. Let's see what we're gonna do. Okay. You get it? We'll push this out. Yeah. We go forward. Wait a minute. I got 2 right here. Hold someone up. Okay. That's it. Wait a minute. Got this one. Oh, this right here gotta come on, right? I guess so. All right. That was easy. Let me see. Let me get back up there. Come on, hold it. Let me see what you got. Let there come on. No, take it out of there. You put that on. Oh, okay. Take the whole thing. Take the whole thing. Okay, I'm great. Look at this in here. It's all the new stuff. Wait a minute. What the hell you doing? All right, right here you see the original and the new one. You can see the size difference in the pipes. So I'm gonna get a louder, way louder sound than this one right here. And this one right here, old, new. I cannot wait to install this. Get this car very, very loud. Oh yeah.
That's already tight.
Huh?
Tighten this out of it. There you go. Did you do it?
Alright, Daddy.
Big
Hold on. I feel like this ain't tight.
There you go.
Why did you give me this the first time? I was out there just doing it for no reason.
That's right.
Hold on, almost. That's it right there, baby.
I'm hoping that raise that on up high. When you do it. You know what I'm saying? That's it, we're putting them home.
You know what's funny?
What?
It's raising it up.
Huh?
It's raising it up.
Yeah, I tightened it up, man.
It's raising it up too.
Yeah, you good. You get that side? Alright, come this side, we good.
These Louise. We are almost done. Just the back, and that's it.
That was good. Tighten it up?
Alright guys, this is it. I'm so ready to take this bad boy on the road right quick. But I'm about to get this off of jack stands and we're gonna see how this baby drive. Alright, let's go. This exhaust is reasonable. It's loud, but it's not too loud. And this is the best. One of the best investments, one of the best car parts to ever do. I should have did this a long time ago. I should have did this actually before they did the coilovers, but I don't know, but guys, listen to this. Oh my gosh. Woo! Man. But this is when we end the install video of the day, guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And you know the saying, legit is out.